Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by locking the core concept and why people will listen. Pick a clear niche and decide episode length and cadence so you can stay consistent. Next, choose a format, solo, interview, or narrative, because it dictates workflow and equipment needs. Then sketch 3 pilot episodes to test flow and content. Finally, get minimal gear: a reliable USB microphone, closed-back headphones, and a quiet corner. Once done, record 1 short episode to practice technique and timing. Now you move into production. Set a recording checklist: mic levels, pop filter position, room treatment, and backup recordings, because consistency reduces rework. Learn basic editing: trim pauses, normalize audio, and apply light compression. This makes your voice sit well in podcast players. Add an intro, outro, and music with proper licensing. Simultaneously, create cover art and SEO-friendly descriptions to help discovery. Finally, pick a podcast host that generates an RSS feed so directories can pull your episodes automatically. To finish, upload your episode to the host, tag metadata, and publish. Submit the RSS feed to major directories and verify listings so listeners can subscribe. Promote each episode with short clips, show notes, and an email blast. Collaborate with similar creators to expand reach. Monitor downloads and listener feedback to iterate. If something goes wrong, if audio sounds thin or noisy, check gain staging, replace problem clips, run denoise or EQ. Then re-export at the correct bitrate. This fixes most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.